Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 19, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, so yesterday was a wild ride on Wall Street, and today we look like we're going to start off the same way. You do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower right now by about 5.75 points to 20.35.5 per contract. Again, we're not going to make too much out of this because it is an options expiration trading week. Tomorrow is options X, and you're going to get a lot of up and down choppiness, especially in individual names, and I think we're going to see more of that today. But in the meantime, we got lots of stocks still reporting earnings, so let's take a look at those. That's where the money's going to be made. First off the bat is Walmart today. Walmart is trading at $68.25. It closed at $63.15. That's a pretty good pop for Walmart. Give it the upside bias to around $70. I mean, right now, stock is holding up very well. And again, I don't really see resistance till you get to the 70 level. So, good pop by Walmart today. Stock has been beaten down over the last couple of months. And we'll see how it plays out today. But this is going to be on our radar really all day long. So Walmart, nice gap up. We'll see where it goes. I'm showing some daily chart resistance right around the $70 level. Let's take a look at Cisco Systems. CSCO is the ticker symbol. And what you're going to see here is the stock is having a nice gap up, trading at $28.11, closed at $26.72. Give this the upside bias to around $28.75. When it gets there, I would start to get cautious. This is a very overbought equity at this point in time. When you get to around $28.75, it should be reaching its maximum move to the upside. Let's take a look at L Brands, which is ticker symbol LB. This is getting hammered lower this morning. Stock right now is trading at $59.81. I will have gap levels for this posted up in the chat room at 9 o'clock. But right off the bat, it's got to hold this $59 level, or else watch out. This has lower to go. Let's take a look at Salesforce.com. Ticker symbol is CRM. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading nicely higher, trading right now at $82.40. It closed at $77.87. Now, when I look at the stock, as good as the move is, this is a very overbought equity here at this point in time. So be very careful. You have a double top pivot high around, I believe, $83. So maybe it gets through there a little bit. You can see how it's tested it. But this is overbought, extended. This does not have a whole lot left on the upside, in my opinion. I would not short it yet, but if it gives me signs of a topping, or I get a topping signal in this one, this is a name I would consider to fade. All right, let's take a look at Take-Two Interactive. TTWO is a ticker here. Stock is trading at $34.10. It closed at $35.68 yesterday. So this is trading a little bit to the downside. Again, there's still a fair amount of support around $33.50. That is a 200-day moving average on the daily chart. If that level breaks, write this level down, because this will be a good bounce level. $31.15. Buy some chance. If it gets down there, that's your spot to get involved in Take-Two on the long side. Let's go to Urban Outfitters. URBN is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $26.60. Closed at $24.60. So it's up a couple bucks from its close. This is a nice little move. Again, we're not seeing anything terrible, anything great. It's a nice little uptick. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Sticking with the retail theme, let's take a look at American Eagle Outfitters. That's gapping up nicely as well. Stock closed at $13.39. It is now trading at $15.08. So that's a nice little pop up. I'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Not much we could do with it here. Let's take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. DKS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $39.48. It closed at $38.10. So this is a nice little uptick for Dick's Sporting Goods. Stock has been coming under big pressure over the past 2 weeks. So again, nice little uptick. I don't know if we can make more out of it than that, but this is something that we will probably play at some point during the day in the intraday stock chat room. Once again, if you want to trade this and other equities alongside of us, come on over, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had another good day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going today. All right, let's take a look at CHD. This is Church and Dwight. It looks like they received some kind of a takeover offer. Stock closed at 96.98. Now it's trading at 103.25. Again, very, very overbought. If you own it, just trail your stop. If you don't own it, very hard to chase this equity here. I could not do it. Let's take a look at Monsanto. I think they received a takeover bid from Bayer. The stock right now is trading at 104.25, closed at 97.13. Again, I believe there's a lot of resistance around the 105, 106 level. I don't think the stock's going to go much higher than that, but hey, you never know. Somebody else comes in and makes a bid. The stock could go higher. So, just be aware of that. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I just can't be a buyer up here at these levels. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting absolutely hammered today. Gold futures right now are trading down $26.80 to $1,247.70 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. You'll see that is trading around 119, closed at 120.10. Remember, gold trades till 1:30, then kicks into electronic trade. The GLD trades till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So again, GLD is reflecting the sell-off in gold after the Fed minutes yesterday. And again, we'll keep an eye on this, but this does have probably lower to go. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil is trading down $1.03 to $47.75 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO chart. What you're going to see here is this trading at $11.56. So pretty good little downtick, but you can see here it just got a little bit of a bid. So again, oil's all over the map, but with a stronger dollar, you would think that oil would come down lower. But again, oil has had a pretty good bid underneath it for a while here, and we'll see if it finally does stall out. All right, with that being said, everybody, there's a lot of action going on here. Doesn't matter if it's oil, if it's gold, or if it's stocks in the news. So, again, come over, take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us, see everything that we're doing. All right, with that being said, have a great afternoon, great morning, and we will see you on the charts.